services such as ventilation, air conditioning and hot water delivery are crucial to the operation of hospitals on any project in the healthcare sector. Speed of delivery and minimal downtime are vital. And with the NHS focused on reducing its carbon footprint, it's important to consider energy efficient options. The new QAHV can deliver hot water up to 90 degrees centigrade, so it's ideal for hospitals' hot water needs. There are 3 or 4 different ways of applying the system into a building, depending on if you've got constant load heat, whether you've got peak load for a hotel, whether you're going to use more of a hydronic system with a plate heat exchanger, or whether you're going to heat the tank directly. So there are lots of options available to the clients to work out what's going to be the best way of applying this new technology for them.